right, easy now. Keep it coming down 50 centimeters. Easy now, easy. Watch the alignment on section 4. We're set. Let her settle.
Look at the state of this hull. We have our work cut out for us.
The corrosion on section 4 is worse than the schematics suggested.
Move the hose to the next section now. All right, I got it. Keep the pressure steady. Watch the cable, it's shifting left.
Clear the deck below!
Cuidado, watch out below. Ready to move it now. Dale, bring it down. We need to clear this section next. Okay, I'll take the heavy pieces.
Hold it steady there.
All right, lowering it now.
Watch your hands, bolt secure.
Watch your hands, 75 degrees.
Torque wrench engaged, Foreman.
Verified. Move to the next coupling.
All right, slide it in slowly. Watch the rings.
Got it. Hand me the torque wrench.
It's set to 150.
Okay, just a little more. Now check the clearance.
Hold it steady. Watch the sparks below.
Lower it slowly, just a few more centimeters.
Watch the hydraulic line on the left.
We're clear here, keep going.
All right, lift it up on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, slide it just a little to the left.
Looks perfect there.
Is this aligned correctly with the trim?
Yes, just a little more to the left.
Is that pipe secure yet?
Almost, just tightening the last bolt.
We need more leveling compound over here.
Powering up the quantum fixture now.
Confirmed alignment is good.
A little more to the left, please.
Is this spacing correct?
Yes, that looks perfect for the walkway.
Just a bit more to the left. Steady now. How's the alignment with the marble? Looks good. Let's move on to the bed now.
Ensure the velvet is brushed correctly. We want the light to catch the sheen.
Yes, calibrating the lamp now.
And the artwork is exactly eye level.
Just a few more inches to the left there.
How does that alignment look now?
Much better. We should be ready for final inspection.
Ensure the crystal is perfectly aligned with the charges.
Already done. Just finishing the polish on the base. Everything is complete on this side, Supervisor.
Excellent work. Let's move the remaining equipment out.
Be careful with that. It's heavier than it looks. Almost got it. Are these cushions aligned properly now? Is this chair aligned now?
Yes, that looks perfect.
I am done with the carpet here.
Finally finished. Yeah, the Leviathan is ready.
Right there, just above the water line.
Got it. I'll circle this one for the final pass.
This section here, it's not holding the matte finish correctly.
The readings on the tablet confirm a slight variation in thickness.
Check this spot here, B. It needs another coat.
Got it, A. Making sure the edges are clean.
All right, everyone, final checks on the lower hull. Let's start clearing the heavy gear.
I've never seen a sunset quite like this.
It's absolutely breathtaking, isn't it? And this cocktail is perfect.
The ambiance here is simply breathtaking.
And the service is impeccable, darling.